In this video, we are diving deep into 11 of the most haunting and terrifying sounds ever recorded in the universe, captured by NASA and deep space radio observatories. These authentic acoustic signatures defy explanation. Listen closely, because as we move further into the void, the audio only gets more disturbing. Let's begin. Often called the Eye of God, the Helix Nebula is the glowing remnant of a dying star. Astronomers translated infrared data from the nebula into sound frequencies. The result is a ghostly, atmospheric hum, a lingering acoustic echo left behind by a star as it slowly shed its outer layers into eternity. Standing light years tall inside the Eagle Nebula, the pillars of creation are massive towers of cosmic dust and gas, where stars are born. Sonification of this iconic region maps light values to pitch and volume. High-energy young stars generate sharp, ringing tones, while dense dust clouds produce a deep, unsettling roar beneath them. Jupiter's largest moon, Ganymede, is the only moon in our solar system with its own magnetic field. When the Galileo spacecraft flew past it during the G1 orbit, it picked up strange plasma wave emissions. The result was a chilling mix of sharp, siren-like whistles that shift unpredictably, almost like an artificial signal transmitted across the void. On August 15, 1977, astronomer Jerry Emmett detected a strong, narrowband radio signal lasting 72 seconds. Coming from the constellation Sagittarius, it was so intense and unnatural that he circled it on the printout and wrote, "Wow," in the margin. When converted to audio, it reveals a rising, haunting tone, a signal that never repeated and remains completely unexplained. At the very heart of our Milky Way galaxy lurks Sagittarius A star, a supermassive black hole millions of times the mass of our Sun. NASA translated data from X-ray and radio waves surrounding this gravitational monster into sound. What emerged was an erratic, low-frequency rumble, the rhythmic pulse of a giant, consuming the core of our galaxy. Long before it crossed into interstellar space, Voyager 1 encountered the bow shock of Jupiter, the boundary where solar winds slam into the planet's magnetosphere. The spacecraft captured high-pitched, screeching plasma waves, sounding less like a natural phenomenon and more like a cosmic warning siren blaring in deep space. During its fourth close flyby of Jupiter, NASA's Juno spacecraft passed through an intense radio emission zone. Generated by the planet's powerful magnetic field, the instrument recorded a bizarre series of high-pitched chirps and modulating tones, sounding shockingly like a choir of electronic voices singing in orbit. Saturn is notorious for its eerie auroral radio emissions, but its icy moon Enceladus makes it even stranger. Plasma wave interactions between Saturn and Enceladus create a haunting series of shrieks, howls, and shifting frequencies, sounding like an otherworldly conversation, echoing through the planet's magnetic field. Perfectly circular and utterly mysterious. Hoag's object is a rare ring galaxy spanning over 100,000 light-years across. When astronomers converted its electromagnetic radiation into audible frequencies, they didn't find structure, they found a cold, eerie vibration drifting through a massive empty void. In late 2018, NASA's InSight lander gave humanity something it had never heard before: the true voice of another planet. Its sensitive sensors captured the deep, ghostly howling of Martian winds, sweeping across a frozen, dead landscape, accompanied by mysterious, low-frequency rumbles, echoing from beneath the red soil. At the center of the Perseus galaxy cluster sits a black hole, sending sound waves through the surrounding hot gas. The original note is 57 octaves below middle C, far too low for human ears, but when NASA resynthesized the signal up into audible ranges, it unleashed a horrifying, low-pitched growl, the true sound of a black hole, roaring in the dark. Which of these cosmic sounds gave you the biggest chill? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more deep space discoveries. Until next time.